Okay guys, a candle heater with a heat brick at the bottom, metal bread basket in the middle full of candles, heat brick at the top. Will it run a convection fan? There we go, that's a fan that doesn't need power. All it needs is a heat source, and that is running, and it's running a lot quicker than the camera is picking up because of the frame rate of the camera, blowing out warmer. That is brilliant. A very hot candle heater. It does have quite a bit of runoff of candle wax, but I'm collecting that and making a new candle out of it using something very interesting. You'll never guess what, but if you check out future videos and subscribe, you'll find out. Half an hour after blowing the candles out, it's still running because of the heat from the heat brick. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. Always have a fire extinguisher and carbon monoxide detector when doing anything like this. So it is great for anything like campervans, or if you find yourself without power and no other means of heating the room you're in. Great for sheds and garages, but like I said, always make sure you have a fire extinguisher and the carbon monoxide detector next to you. And whatever you're heating, guys, whatever room you're in, if you're indoors, make sure it is well ventilated.